Hey everybody, it's Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product. This is the amFilm OneTouch Tempered Glass Screen Protector from TECHmatte, and this is for the iPhone 14 Pro. So I get this a little bit early before release, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this particular screen protector on the iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, so let's take a look at what comes in the box. This is a 2-pack, and of course it is the OneTouch Tempered Glass amFilm by TECHmatte. And you are going to get obviously that 9H hardness, the zero bubble, ultra clear, and scratch resistant that you normally get on tempered glass screen protectors. It has an applicator, which makes this insanely easy to install, and I'm going to do the full install on my dummy unit of the iPhone 14 Pro that you see on the right hand side here, and I do have a video of that first look up on my channel, so check it out. Now they do give you dust removal covers here, and this will be for removing any lint or dust from the screen after you use the installation accessories such as a wet wipe and a few other things. Now they do have an installation guide. You can scan that code and it will take you to a video as well on how to do this, but I'm going to do this for you as well so that you can check it out. Again, they make it really simple with this applicator to do this. You can do this pretty much within 30 seconds or less. I think there's even a TikTok challenge where people are trying to do this blindfolded, things like that. But it's that easy. It really is. You can see here that we do have the applicator here, and you're just going to want to line it up top and bottom and then just peel off the first layer, and then you just pretty much set it down on the phone itself after you remove this first layer, and then you push along this spine and it will automatically install it, and it'll be perfectly lined up. So this is a really easy, simple way to add a glass screen protector to your new iPhone. So let's do this real quick. We'll open up the installation accessories here, and these are really simple. You get these with a lot of applications for screen protectors. You get a cloth here for cleaning, and then you get a wet wipe, and you do get some dust removal stickers as well, or you can use the full cover, which I like the best. This covers the entire phone face. So let's do the wet wipes real quick, and we'll get this installed, and you'll be able to see that this is super easy, super quick to do. So using the wet wipe, you just want to wipe down the screen just like you normally would for any application. Make sure that you get all of the screen covered, and make sure that there is no dust or dirt left on the screen. Then you can use the microfiber cloth to dry this off, clean it off, make sure that it's as clean as you can possibly get it. Super easy. You can see the whole process of just doing that took me less than 30 seconds or so. And then you've got your setup ready to go here. So again, this is the dummy unit here. It's not a real working unit. You can see that this has that new punch in the front here for the iPhone 14 Pro, so no more notch with this. So let's use the dust cover. This will be the last step before you apply it, and I like to use the dust cover here because it covers the entire screen and really just eliminates any lint or dust that might be on it. So what you're going to do is you're just going to make sure that it covers the entire screen, make sure that you push it down really good, and then you're just going to kind of want to peel this off at an angle, and this is going to remove any dust or extra lint that you might have on your screen. So once you get this out of the way, you should have a totally perfectly clean screen here, as I do right now. So let's install the screen protector. Again, what you're going to want to do is pull off the red tab here, and when you do pull this off, make sure you pull as straight down as possible. You don't want to pull outwards because you may actually pull the screen protector itself out of the applicator. So set it upright and pull straight down, or as close to straight down as possible. There are tabs. One says top so make sure that the top tab is at the top of the phone. Set it on like this, and then just push along the spine and at the top and the bottom, and it will automatically install your screen protector. And as you can see, once we remove this, this is going to be perfectly aligned and ready to go. When you lift it up, it's going to lift up the front, and you're good to go. That was it. That's as easy as it gets. You can see it's perfectly aligned to the sides. You can wipe it down with your cloth if you want to try to get the rest of the dust if there might be any on the outside of the screen protector. But you can see here that this is perfectly aligned, perfectly installed, no bubbles, no nothing. I think TECHmatte did a great job with this applicator. This makes this amFilm OneTouch Glass Screen Protector super easy. If you're looking for a glass screen protector, you're going to pick up one of the new iPhones, you want to check this one out. It's super easy to do, works perfectly, no problems whatsoever, and it installs in less than a minute. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. I hope you enjoyed this review of the amFilm OneTouch Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 14 Pro. And of course, TECHmatte has other ones for other iPhone models as well. So if you have an older iPhone model, you can check those out with them as well. Again, this was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review, and I'll check you guys out on the next video.